Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I have not put nearly enough time into this channel over the past few months. I've been extremely busy with other things, and I know I said that in my last video, but when you get busy, you know, when it rains it pours, and I have taken some time off. Haven't really been posting a lot of videos. I still have some some watches that I haven't even opened yet that I ordered pre-tariff, which was probably in April of this year. Like I said, I've been extremely busy, and I figured if I'm going to come back to you guys with another video after all of this time, I'm not going to go over some new stuff. I'm going to actually do a recap of some of the other watches that I have. And like you guys know, I've got hundreds and hundreds of watches, and they just keep coming in all the time. I've put my orders on hold since I haven't even gotten to that last group of orders that I've put in. But I've been extremely busy, went back to work full-time as a paramedic, so I've had that and other life things going on. I've just been keeping myself really busy. I just haven't had the time that I would like to dedicate to the channel anymore. But before I get started, I just wanted to let you all know I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And as always, I'd just like to shout out to all of my current subscribers. Thank you guys all so much for supporting this channel with all of your liking, subscribing, and all of your general interaction, comments, thumbs up, you know, thumbs down if you don't like what I'm reviewing. Let me know. If you want to see something else on this channel, also let me know, and I'll see if I can get that watch and do a review for you. But today's video, I'm basically going to go over some of the a recap on some of the other watches, some of the watches that I have in my collection that have stopped working for some reason. Yes, all of the watches that you are seeing here are having some issues. Now, I do believe that these watches, the only issue that I'm looking at for most of these watches is probably a battery change. I did have a couple of watches that did stop working, and when I replaced the battery, the watch did not work after replacing the battery. Sometimes it was corrected after replacing it with a different battery from a different manufacturer, so not really sure what's going to happen with all of these watches. I will pop a couple of these open and take a look at them and see if I've got the batteries. I do have some batteries here. Not sure if I have the actual batteries that I'm going to need for all of these watches, but I will take a look at a couple of them. But most importantly, I wanted to show you guys the first two watches that I did purchase early on when I started this channel. These watches were purchased before I actually even started the channel, and you know, made me realize that hey, there were a lot of budget-friendly watches out there where you didn't have to spend a ton of money. So I figured I would put together a review channel for these watches that are you know, not the top tier quality, but also you don't pay a ton of money for them. And a lot of these are very inexpensive. And even if, like, say for example, even if this watch does not come back to life with a battery change, it's cheap enough to where you can buy another one and it doesn't break the bank. But I did want to show you guys the first two watches that I purchased, actually the first watch and the second watch. And they are still working great to this day. And they are the two watches I actually have on my wrist today. They are an homage to a very expensive luxury brand. And if you do know, then you know. But I will not say that name of that luxury brand. You take a good look at these watches, you can discern for yourself the brand that they are trying to homage, but I will not say the name. This watch in particular, let's take these both off. So this watch in particular, I purchased this watch. This was my very first watch that I purchased just before I started the channel. Obviously not the first watch I've ever worn or ever purchased, but the one that made me think that, hey, you know, there's a market for this. These lower end luxury homage watches, and I was not wrong, because a lot of my viewers do appreciate the fact that I'm showcasing these watches that don't get a ton of attention. This watch is from the company OLEVS. It's an OLEVS watch. Let's see if we can get a better focus on it. Here, let me see. Let's do switch that. There we go. Okay, this is an OLEVS watch. This was purchased about 2 years ago. I think it has gone through one battery change. But other than that, still in very, very good condition. I have worn this watch quite a bit, gotten tons and tons of compliments on this watch. I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and take a look at it. Very nice feel to it, good weight, nice bracelet. Like I said, this thing's over 2 years old, almost 2 years old at this point. And I could not have been happier with this watch since I have purchased it. Very, very good watch. You're not even going to believe the price that I paid for it when I tell you it was somewhere in the neighborhood of about $35 for this watch. And I'll tell you, it is amazing value at that price. Like I said, it's gone through maybe one battery change in the last year. Very, very beautiful watch. Lots and lots of compliments on it. And like I said, it does homage a very much more expensive high-end luxury brand, as well as this watch here. This watch was purchased probably a month after I bought this one. And this is what got me started on the OLEVS brand. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm a huge fan of OLEVS. They come out with some great watches, nice styles, great homages. And this particular watch, if you go through my channel, you will see that I have put this exact watch through absolute hell. I have run this watch over with a lawnmower. I've buried it with a backhoe. I have done all kinds of misdeeds to this watch, guys, and it has always come out beautiful and shining. Like I said, with the other watch, maybe one battery change over the last 1.5 to 2 years. This is about 2 years old. I have worn this watch hundreds and hundreds of times in that time frame. And like I said, I have put this watch through hell. Take a look at my videos. You'll see me actually running this thing over with a lawnmower and burying it with a backhoe. And no word of a lie, that is this exact watch. Not a watch like this, but this watch that I'm holding in my hand. I have abused the hell out of this thing, and it always comes out shining. So both of these watches, great, great value. OLEVS. I will post links to both of these in the description below. So you guys can head on over and pick them up. And believe it or not, the price on both of these was somewhere in the neighborhood of about $30 to $40 on Amazon. I don't know exactly what the price would be on them now, but I will post a link to that in the description below. Now that it will be in it will be an affiliate link, so it does not cost you guys anything more if you decide to purchase these watches through that link, but it does help out the channel. Sends me a couple of dollars for each one of the purchases. So if you do like these watches and you do click on that link, it is an affiliate link, doesn't cost you anything more, and it does help me out a little bit. So once again, I'm going to get into the bulk of this video. The bulk of this video is maybe going to pop open some of the backs on some of these watches that have stopped working. But like, as you can see, this one, for example, the second hand is not moving. I pop open the crown, press it down, still doesn't move. That is much the same with all of these watches. Here's a Liege watch, same thing. So I'm going to pop open one of the OLEVS, maybe a Liege watch, and maybe this Denvasi that is also supposed to resemble a much higher end luxury brand. And once again, if you know, you know. You can post it in the description below, but I'm not allowed to say luxury brands because I've gotten a little bit of trouble for that. So if you look through my channel, you'll see that fight happening at one point. So let's pop open the back of one of these things. I have a tool where I can pop open the back. I also have another video where I show you guys how to get into the back of these watches. A lot of them are different. Some screw open, some pop open. But I have this handy toolkit, which I also purchased on Amazon, and I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check that out. Gives you pretty much any tool you need to get the backs off, or do any type of link replacement, link changes. It's got a hammer. It's also got a screw type back remover. So it's a very handy toolkit to have, and somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 bucks, 25 or $30. But I will post a link to that in the description below as well. So without further ado, let's pop open the back of this Denvasi and take a look at what we have, see if I have the right battery for it. So just so you know, I popped open the back. I used there's a little notch there. I used the tool to pop it open, and what we're looking at right there is there's a plastic placeholder in there. Now these are quartz watches, so they are very dependable watches as long as you've got the battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually see if I have this battery. Alright, I had to take a look at it off screen, and it looks like I don't have the battery for this watch in stock, so I'm going to have to order it. But it is probably, more than likely, I'm gonna have to say that it's a battery issue on this watch. Let's see if we can pop open another one. I'm gonna look at an OLEVS, see if I have that battery. So it looks like I don't have the batteries in stock for these OLEVS watches or this Denvasi. They look like they both have the same or similar mechanism in them, both quartz movements, and unfortunately I do not have any more of these batteries, so I am going to have to order some of those batteries. Let's see if I can find something that might have a little bit of a different battery, but as far as I know, these are all going to have the same batteries in them. So let's take a look at, I don't know, we've got an OLEVS. Let's look at this Commodore watch. Let's see here. Let's get this open. Alright, let's take a look. This one is a little bit of a bigger battery, so let's see if I have this one. So I'm going to take this out. It might be this one here. And as you can see, it does not work. You know, the crown's pushed in, still doesn't work. You take it out, pop it back in, crown, second hand's still not moving. So let's take a look at this one, see if we can pop this one out, replace it. Okay, and there we go. So this watch was literally just a battery replacement, and now we got it going. So great watch. I think I got this one on, maybe, I want to say AliExpress. Okay, so very good quality on these Commodore watches, and a very, very, very low price on them. So I definitely do recommend them. Like I said, just change that battery out, and now we're back in business here. So great watches for the price. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this one as well. Let's see if we can get another watch open here and see if I do have the battery for it. Like I said, I don't have the battery for these OLEVS watches, and I don't have the battery for this Denvasi watch, so I will have to order those. But let's see what we've got here in this A Cassidy watch. See if I've got the battery for this one. No, this looks like it's going to have the same movement as the OLEVS and the Denvasi, so I will not be able to replace the battery in this one. I'm going to have to order it. Looks like I'm going to have to order a whole bunch of those batteries. What else should have a different watch battery? Maybe this Kenneth Cole. Let's take a look at this and see if it's got... I might have this battery. Let me take a look. Alright, so it doesn't look like I have watch battery for this one either, so I'm gonna have to order some batteries in order to replace most of these. But I did get the Commodore running. Let's see if this Denvasi here might have a battery. I might have a battery for this one, don't know. Nope, that's going to be the same mechanism. So these are all pretty much using the exact same Chinese quartz mechanism and the same batteries throughout. Which one is this one? A bin bond? I'm going to guess it's going to be the same thing. So let's pop open this and see. Same exact mechanism as well. So all of these batteries are probably the same. And let's take one more look at another watch here. This Naviforce watch. It also stopped. Let's take a look. Same mechanism. So they're all using the same Chinese mechanism. That's what keeps the prices so low. So I'm going to order a case of these batteries, and then I will have a part 2 to this video. This is a pin time watch. Let's see if this one has the same mechanism. I'm guessing it probably does. Let's confirm that. Yep, same mechanism. You got the same mechanism in the back of all of these watches. Last watch I'm going to take a look at is going to be this Liege watch. This is one of my better favorite watches. I've got quite a few favorite watches. Once again, it's same mechanism. So they're all using the same mechanism, same battery. So we'll go over these watches when they're working again. I am Dave the Watchman. Would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you'd like to check out DaveTheWatchman.com, you can check out some of the watches that I have reviewed here on this channel, and also jump on those affiliate links and head on over and buy any of these watches for yourself. I will also post, like I said, I will also post a link to the watch repair kit, and I'll post a link to both of these watches from OLEVS, so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up. Like I said, they are affiliate links, so they don't cost you anything more. They only help out the channel if you do decide to purchase a watch. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I hope you guys all have an excellent weekend, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys all so much, and have a great weekend.